Welcome. Let's learn how to fill out the James Arthur Albert Foundation High School Scholarship application for the 2026 to 2027 academic year. The Albert Foundation High School Scholarships provides a $450 Belize budget per academic year. Benefits include textbooks, school supplies, backpacks, and other approved expenses. To begin the process, you will first need to identify your application. There are two types of applications for students who are applying for the first time. The first one is the first form application, and this is for students who are graduating from primary school and moving on to first form. The second one is the high school application, and this is for students who are already in high school but are seeking assistance. Step 1. Attach a photo ID and fill out the high school you attend or wish to attend. Step 2. Read and understand the eligibility criteria to make sure you qualify for the scholarship. Eligibility criteria. Applicants are approved for this scholarship by the officers of the Albert Foundation in Iowa, USA. Your essay, explanation of need and good academics determine your selection. Your essay is written in sufficient details. Attach a letter of recommendation by your principal or class teacher. Maintain at least a 2.5 GPA, 70%, to keep this scholarship. Attach a copy of your Standard 6 report card or recent grade report. You agree to do 10 hours a semester of community service this school year. You agree to attend the annual meeting of scholars in January at your school to meet the foundation officers and donors. Step 3. Complete the biographical information section with your personal and family details. Biographical information required. Full name. Date of birth. Phone or WhatsApp number, very important. Home address, very important. Step 4. Fill out the financial needs section explaining why you need the scholarship and your personal story. Explain challenges in attending high school and your living situation to support your application. Step 5. Write your personal statement about yourself, your favorite subjects, hobbies, dreams, and goals. Personal statement prompts. Favorite subject? Hobbies and fun activities? Your dreams? Step 6. Sign and date your application before submitting. Step 7. Submit your completed application to the James Arthur Albert Foundation office on Main Street, Punta Gorda Town, beside the KBH Security Office, across from the Punta Gorda Town Clock. Deadline. Applications close on Friday, the 29th of May, 2026. Submit early to avoid missing out.